farthest road to travel is from my life to my song. They hear my music, they feel the beat. Sometimes they sing along. They pat my shoulder with tears in their eyes. They just don't know the journey sometimes is lonely. The road is empty. I'm shot to pieces from time to time.